This channel just copy-paste pets and animal videos from a Chinese app to YouTube, and they are earning $3,000 to $4,000 every month. Another channel copy-pastes the Chinese creator videos, and they are earning $10,000 to $20,000 every month. And today, I will show you how you also copy-paste Chinese videos to YouTube and earn over $1,500 per week. We will cover where you can find those Chinese apps to download the videos and how to upload those videos on YouTube to get monetized and earn money on YouTube. So like this video, and let's start with the first step, which is to come over to this YouTube channel called Giggles Muse. As you can see, this channel is uploading videos related to pets and animals and their bond with humans. And these are not their videos, but they copy-paste these viral videos from the Chinese social media apps. YouTube is banned in China. They have their own similar websites like YouTube, where they upload videos. And just like this channel, we can also download the videos from Chinese apps and upload them to YouTube to earn money like this. These videos are adorable, hilarious, and cute clips of animals, and people can't stop watching them. They are getting millions of views on their videos, and they are making a ton of money every month. As you can see, they just posted 48 videos, and they have already got over 1 million subscribers on their channel, which is really a great success. And you can see that they just started a year ago, in May 2023. And if we check their earnings on Social Blade, we can see that they are making $3,000 to $4,000 every month. But we all know that YouTube doesn't pay a lot on shorts views, and the short-form content like this earns just close to 50 cents per 1,000 views on YouTube. And as per Social Blade, they got over 1 million views in the last 30 days. But Social Blade estimates less views as compared to the actual views. So let's say this channel did close to 1.5 million views in the last 30 days, which means that they earn over $750 in the last 30 days by just copy-pasting these videos from Chinese apps. Not only that, they also get sponsorships related to pet care products, which are worth $500 per sponsorship. So even if they do just 3 sponsored videos every week, that's an extra $1,500 coming in every week. If you sort their videos by popularity, you can see that these videos get lots of views. This indicates that this niche still has lots of potential, and we can replicate what these guys are doing, and we can also earn $1,500 every week, or at least $3,000 to $4,000 every month. And the good thing is that you don't need to create these videos yourself, because I will be showing you the Chinese app from where you can get these videos, copy them without getting copyright, and how to upload them to YouTube to get monetized and to start earning money from YouTube. You can also monetize these videos on other platforms like TikTok and Facebook to multiple your earnings. This is easier than you think, so like this video and help me get over 4,000 likes on this video if you are getting some value. The step number 2 is, we first need to find some cute animals videos like this. And for this, we are going to use some Chinese apps. In fact, there are lots of Chinese apps like the Douyin.com, which is the Chinese version of TikTok. Another Chinese apps like Kuaishou and Xiaohongshu are the apps where you can find lots of animal videos. And we will use the Xiaohongshu app for this video, but you can choose any app that you like. So to use the app, we need to download it from the Apple App Store or from the Google Play Store if you are using Android smartphone. So just open your App Store or Google Play Store on your mobile and search for the Xiaohongshu app or the Red Note app in the search bar. Both of them are the same. The app will look like this on the App Store. If I translate this web page language into English, you can see that this is the Xiaohongshu app. And on the Google Play Store, the app will look like this. As you can see, the Xiaohongshu app is also called as the Red Note app. So just install the app to your device and register on it using your Gmail or using your mobile number. You can also use the free VPN on your smartphone or computer device to access these apps if it doesn't work in your region. So once you log into the app, this is how the interface of the app will look like. And the first thing I want you to do is to click on this drop or sit down icon from right here. And I want you to click on the edit option from there. And I want you to remove all of these topics one by one from here. Then you want to add the topics such as pets, funny, home and emotion, etc. Then just hit done button from there. And now you will start to see the pets and funny videos on your account. You can also search for the pets in the search bar to search for cute and funny pet videos. Now all you have to do is to select few pet videos that got many views and engagement. I am talking about the likes and comments on those videos. So let's find a cute dog or cat's video. I found this video here which is quite funny where a dog is asking for pets. So let's download this video from here. And to download it, you have to tap on the share icon on top right corner, and then you just have to tap on the copy link icon from here. And the video link will be copied to your clipboard. Next, you just need to come over to Google and search for download Xiaohongshu video and select this second website from the search results. And you will be taken to this website where, as you can see, you just need to paste the URL you copied for that video. Click on this button and you will be shown two options to download the video or to download the image. Click on Download Video and it will show you the video. Just click on the three dots and click Download to download the video to your device. Now the step number 3 is to repurpose this video so that we can upload it on YouTube and earn money with it. We just need to edit the video a little bit and add some text and humor to the video. So the first thing is to come over to ChatGPT and ask it to provide some humorous captions for this video. Just describe the scenes in the video to ChatGPT and ask it to provide some fun and short captions. So as you can see, the ChatGPT has provided us with the caption that we can use in our video. And the reason for using these funny and humorous captions is because adding the funny captions makes the video unique and original, and it makes the video more humorous and interesting to watch. Viewer will imagine the captions as they watch, and it will encourage them to comment and like as well. And now the next step is edit the video and translate the video to English, because most of the viewers on YouTube understand English only. And for this, I would like to introduce you to the dubdub.com. Dubdub is all-in-one content creation platform where you can convert any idea into compelling and converting scripts. You can convert any text into voiceover for your videos. You can create AI avatars and lip-sync them with your audio. And you can even edit the video with their online AI video editing feature, which is just awesome one. I will leave a link to Dubdub in the description of this video and the pinned comment. You can sign up to Dubdub using that link and log into your account. So once you log in, this is how your dashboard will look like. Dubdub will give you 10 credits as a free trial bonus, which you can use to translate and edit your video on Dubdub. And as you can see here, you can use AI avatars, generate AI voiceover, instantly clone your avatar, clone your voice, generate AI image, and much more. And because this video is in the Chinese language, we first need to translate it into English language. So just click on the video translation feature on Dubdub, and then we just need to upload the video by pressing this upload icon and selecting the video we downloaded from the Xiaohongshu app. After that, we need to select the original video language from here, which is Chinese. And we need to translate the video to English. So we will select English in this box. You can turn on these features also if you want it in your video, so I will also select the Translate Subtitles option from there and just press Translate Video button from there. Just confirm this from here and the Dubdub Smart AI will start processing the video. We just need to wait for a few seconds here. And as you can see, our video is ready, so let's listen to it. As you can see, Dubdub has successfully translated the video with a great voiceover, but the subtitles are not fully covering the Chinese subtitles, and the voiceover is a little faster than the video. So what we can do is we can just click on the Edit button from here. And that's going to take us to the Dubdub's AI video editor, where we can edit the video as we like. So the first thing is we need to change the voiceover and its speed for the video. So just click on this icon from the left and a pop-up will open up from where we can select the voiceover for our video. You can choose any voice you like from here. But for this video, I'm going to click the scenario option and I will select the fairy tales voices from there. Then I will select this Luke voice for our video. Also, because the voiceover was a little too fast, so I will decrease the voice from here to make it adjustable to our video. Next, just click on Confirm button from there and Dubdub AI will start creating the new voiceover for the video. So as you can see, the voiceover is ready. So let's first zoom in the video timeline from here. And now let's listen to it again. Hurry and touch me. Come on, pet the little dog's soft head. I'm just a playful dog, a joyful and playful dog. So as you can see, now the subtitles and the voiceover match perfectly. Now, there is one more thing we need to edit, and that is to make the background color of subtitles a black cover so that it hides the Chinese subtitles in the video. And for this, first of all, I want you to increase the font size to 55 from subtitles bar from the right side. Then I want you to click on the background color, and I want you to select the black color from here and press OK to save it as your background. Next, you want to make the bottom spacing equal to 31, so that the English subtitles hides the Chinese subtitles throughout the video. And once you do all these settings, you can click on Export from the top and select Export as Video option from there. And the Dubdub Smart AI will start exporting the video, and once the video is exported, you can just download it to your device from Dubdub, and you can upload it to your YouTube Shorts channel. You can easily get monetized because you have successfully translated the video to English and you have added the subtitles to the video to add value to it. Just like this, you can copy-paste videos from these Chinese apps to YouTube, and you can earn a good amount of money from YouTube in the form of AdSense money and sponsorships. Now you can use the DubDub for free to edit first few videos, but I would suggest you to upgrade to its premium plans, which starts at as low as $11. Because the DubDub AI tools will add a ton of value to your videos in the form of voiceover, subtitles, and by automatically translating the videos. So once again, I will leave a link to DubDub in the description of this video and the pinned comment. You can register using that link and start copy-pasting videos from Chinese apps to YouTube with the help of DubDub to earn money like this every week. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.